let's see like how we can use VS Code and do a coding in .py files rather than a notebook. So I have opened VS Code here, so which you can search in start menu and open it. So once you open, it will ask for like open file or a folder or a clone a Git repository. Like I am going into the folder where I already have few files, and inside this code folder I would like to store my codes. Let's see, like open the folder from this here. So you can go like E drive, Python codes, Python programming, and here is where I would like to do all my codes, and this folder I would like to open through VS Code. So I'll be selecting this folder. So once you select this folder, we would be getting all the files and folders within that folder. We can see the files here. So assignment, these are like few files, and there is like one more folder code. So you can see the file here. So in this I would like to use this and do further programming. So here in the code I would like to add a new folder within it saying input functions. So I have created a folder input functions, and inside it I am right clicking and then clicking on new file, where it would create a new file. So I will write a name like user input.py. So this would create a file inside the folder input functions with a name like user input.py, so which was here. So now using this, so you can also see it over here. So inside code it has created a new folder, and inside which there is this new file. So taking this, so here .py file actually represents a Python script file. So the code you can write it here, and for running it you need to specify in the terminal Python space and the path till that script. So here we are currently in this program 2022 folder, so which was here. So inside that we have code input functions and user input.py. So we have to use code / input functions / user input.py. So this would run it, but as of now it is completely empty. There is nothing to run. It did not give any output, but just like that, let me print hello world here and save it. So we need to save before running. So you can it would be indicated by white dot here in case if it is not saved. See, now we got the output hello world. So yeah, this is how we can do it. So in case if you don't find terminal in your system in your VS Code, so you can click on this. We can find this kind of icon. So if you click this, so it would open this window where you can select the terminal over here, and here you can do a code.